Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. I saw yesterday in the papers that we're celebrating pap smear week. So from the 24th of April to the 30th of April, the Jamaican government has declared that week to be pap smear week, and I want to use this opportunity to encourage all women over the age of 20. So they recommend between the ages of 20 to 64 to go get your pap smear done. It is cervical cancer awareness week, and yeah, my grandma died from ovarian cancer, and so I'm very keen on checking up every year because of that. You don't have to check every year, you can check every 3 years. Going to your gynecologist. The test is it's not comfortable, but it's not harming. You won't be in any pain or anything. Just go get it done. Make sure that you're okay. Early detection saves life, so if you can detect it very early, then you're better off. And this is why I go check every year, because my grandma died from ovarian cancer, and I think I'm more at risk. So if you can go get checked, do it. If you've never gotten checked, please go do it. Share this with someone, because we need to take care of ourselves. We need to make sure that we're healthy, and you can be at risk, but if you don't check, you don't know. And also, what I've read is that it's the second killer of women in Jamaica now. I don't know, maybe breast cancer is leading. I don't know, I didn't check, but cervical cancer is the second killer of women in Jamaica. So let's share this with our sisters, and yeah, take care of ourselves. Guys, thank you for joining this quick video, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Bye. Tyson. The dog can have no use when you see something you like. Tyson want to make you guys dinner.